Welcome to the Software Testing Lessons Part 10. We are going to wrap up this series by answering the most important question, when do I start testing? If you want to work in an agile setup, the testing activities takes place from the very beginning of SDLC. Let's see how this works. During the planning and analysis phase, as the requirements are being clarified, scope is being discussed, you can start creating the test plan. As the design phase is entered, you can start designing the test cases. When the development starts, developers parallelly write unit tests and testers can start system test case development effort. Note that system tests can't be fully implemented until the whole system is integrated, but you can still create the test steps and outlines. Once the development is completed, the test implementation can be completed as well and tests can be executed. And next, when the deployment stage is reached, smoke tests can be executed to ensure the overall health of the system. And finally, monitor the production environments for any issues. The point here is to show you how testing can be part of every stage in development. We don't have to wait for development to be completed, systems to be integrated to start testing. Testing should be a continuous activity that carries valuable feedback at every stage of development. The whole point of Agile is to release code with speed and agility, but also ensuring quality at every stage by creating a continuous feedback loop. So congratulations! With this, we have successfully completed our first software testing series. The goal was to help you understand the fundamentals of software testing that are compliant with modern-day software development. If you have any questions or if you or your organization seek one-on-one consultation on any of the covered topics, please reach out at support@corecom.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep yourself up to date with the new content every week. Thank you.